Hello, hi, namaste. Today I will know about what is YouTube. YouTube is an American online video sharing and social media platform launched by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Javed Karim in February 2005. Its user watch more than 1 billion hours of videos each day. As of May 2019, it was estimated that videos were being uploaded at a rate of more than 500 hours of content per minute. In October 2006, YouTube was brought by Google for $1.65 billion. It has since evolved, evolved from a small video streaming platform to a large service influence. People were popular culture, internet trends, and creating multi-millionaire celebrities. YouTube reported revenue of $19.8 billion in 2020. After Google, YouTube's the most visited website worldwide with over 1 billion monthly users. Google's ownership of YouTube has also changed its business model. If no content such as movies and exclusive content, YouTube and approved creators participate in Google's AdSense program, which generated more revenue for both parties. YouTube has expanded beyond the website into mobile apps, network television, and to permit other services like Discord and Nintendo to be linked to it. The range of video on YouTube includes music, videos, video clips, short films, feature films, documentaries, audio recordings, corporate sponsored movie trailers, live streams, blogs, as well as content from popular YouTubers. Most content is generated by individuals, including collaboration between YouTubers and companies that sponsor them. Since around 2015, established media corporations such as Disney, Viacom CBS, and Warner Media have created and expanded their corporate YouTube channels to promote their content to a larger audience. YouTube also acts as a social network by allowing users with a Google account to watch and upload their own videos, comments on video, rate and respond to comments, like or dislike videos, create playlists, and subscribe to other users and channels. With billions of hours of content and thousands of niche groups, YouTube has also had a great social impact as it has grown and evolved. It has become involved in many controversies that have made headlines news, such as its self censorship, alleged corporate favoritism, following its user to spread conspiracy theories and issues regarding child safety and well-being. Contents: founding and Intel growth, broadcast yourself, YouTube's new consolidation, censorship, and controversy. 2018 present features are video technology, user features, content accessibility, international and localization, YouTube videos, copyright issues, moderation and offensive content, child safety and well-being, April Fool's gags, YouTube services, YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, YouTube Movies, YouTube Go, YouTube Community, YouTube Music, YouTube Short, YouTube Stories, Experimental Test Tip, YouTube Kids, criticizing from creators for change program and content partnership, Logan Paul's video of a suicide victim, social impact, finances, partnership with corporation, YouTube earning, revenue of community holders, censorship, and bans. See also general reference for the reading. Founding and entire growth 2005-2006. YouTube was founded by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim. The trio were all early employees of PayPal, which left them enriched after the company was bought by eBay. Hurley had studied design at Indiana University of Pennsylvania, and Chen and Karim studied computer science together at the University of Lylans at Urban Campaign. There are multiple stories told the company's founding, according to a story that has often been repeated in the media. Hurley and Chen developed the idea for YouTube during the early months of 2005 after they had experienced difficulty sharing videos that had been shot at a dinner party. And Chen's apartment is San Francisco. Karim did not attend the party and denied that it had occurred, but Chen remarked that the idea that YouTube was founded after a dinner party was probably very strengthened by marketing ideas around creating a story that was very digestible. Karim said the inspiration of YouTube first came from the Super Bowl Triple X v Triple I halftime show controversy, when Janet Jackson's breast was briefly exposed by Justin Timberlake during the halftime show. Karim could not easily find video clips of the original ideas of YouTube was a video version of an online dating service and had been influenced by website Hot or Not. The created posts Craigslist asks attractive women to upload video themselves to YouTube in exchange for 100 rewards $1 billion. Difficulty in finding enough dating videos led to a change of plans, with the site's founders deciding to expect upload of any types of video. YouTube began as a venture capital funded technology startup between November 2005 and April 2006. The company raised money from a variety of investors with Secure Capital, $11.5 billion, and Artist Capital Management, and $8 million being the largest two. YouTube's early headquarters were situated in Europe, Nigeria, and Japanese restaurant San Mateo, California. In February 2005, the company activated www.youtube.com. The first video was uploaded April 23, 2005, titled "Me at the Zoo." It shows co-founder Jawad Karim and the San Diego Zoo and can still be viewed on the site. In May, the company launched a public beta, and by November, Nike featuring Ronaldinho became the first video to reach the million total viewers. The site launched officially on December 15, 2005, by which time the site was receiving 8 million views a day. Clips at the time were limited to 100 megabytes, as little as 30 seconds of footage. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube was not first video sharing site in the internet. Vimeo was launched in November 2004. Through that site remained a side project of developers with college humor. At a time, did not grow much. Either the week of YouTube launches, NBC Universal's Saturday Night Live ran a skit Lazy Sunday by the Lonely Island. Video helped establish YouTube as an important website. Unofficially upload of the skill to YouTube drew in more than 5 million collective views that February 2005. Before they were removed when NC Universal request 2 months later based of copyright concerns. Despite eventually being taken down, this duplicate upload of the skit helped popularize YouTube reach and lead to the upload for more third-party content. Site grew rapidly, and in July 2005, the company announced that more than 65,000 new videos were being uploaded by every day, and that the site was receiving 100 million video views per day. The choice of the name www.youtube.com a YouTube problem for me. Similarly named website www.youtube.com. That sites honor a universal active role from fill the lawsuit against YouTube in November 2006 after being regularly to www.youtubeonline.com. Broadcast yourself era 2006-2007. Broadcast yourself. On October 9, 2006, Google announced that it had acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion in Google stocks. The deal was finalized on November 13, 2006. Google acquisition launched newfound interest in video sharing site, which now own Vimeo, focused on supporting the content creator distinguish itself from more YouTube. वर्तमान में सेतिकी थैंक यू। हम ओडिशा से आपको बता रहा था इंग्लिश जैसा यूट्यूब के बारे में। आपको अच्छा लगे तो जरूर कर देना। ये थोड़ा करके बताओ उसको क्या बोलते हैं आपका एरिया ये करके बताओ। तब तक के लिए खुश रहेगा। लाइक कमेंट शेयर जो करो वो करो, आपको कुछ नहीं है, फ्री है, करने दो, जितना लगता है उतना करने दो, देखने दो, फ्री में देखो। ऐसे फ्री में बना के छोड़ो, आपको पैसा मिलेगा, कोई समझेगा नहीं आपका दुख। ऐसे वीडियो बनाओ, छोड़ो और लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, शेयर करो। तब तक के लिए खुश रहता हूँ। ओके, अभी देखो कैमरा के सामने ऑफ करता हूँ।